Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 3 based on triangles. Let us start with the question number 1. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Its diagonals AC and BD meet at O. Using a similarity criterion, prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now, let us start the solution for this question. ABCD is a trapezium given for us. ABCD. Now in this, if you observe this, diagonals AC and BD meet at O. AC is the first diagonal, BD is the second diagonal. Both are meeting each other at O. And it is also given for us that AB is parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD. It is clearly given for us. Now what I have to prove? RTP is OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is what I have to prove. Now for this case, consider when you come to the proof of this part. So for that, let us write this. RTP I have to prove is OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Next, for the proof part, now consider two triangles OAB and OCD triangles. So consider two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Now if you observe these triangles properly, angle AOB is equal to this part. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. It is vertically opposite angles. Next, angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Right? These are alternate interior angles since AB is parallel to CD. Alternate interior angles. In the similar manner, you may have angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Even this part is also possible. Now, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. The same way, alternate interior angles. So according to this, now you see here three angles are equal. So therefore, according to AA similarity, we can write that triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. When two triangles are similar, obviously the ratios of their corresponding sides will be proportional. Hence, I will get it as OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is what you have to prove. This completes the question number 1. Now, let us come to the second question. In the given figure, if angle ADE is equal to angle B, AD is equal to 4.8, AE is equal to 7.2, BE is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 8. Find DE. So let us go to the solution for this part also. What are the things given for us? Angle ADE is equal to angle B is the given thing for us. Now consider two triangles. From triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Consider these two triangles. In this, since it is already given from the given part, that is Amita's first equation. Next, angle A is equal to angle A, that is common angle. Second part, now you can see that two angles are equal. So according to the AA similarity criterion, we can write that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. When two triangles are similar, the ratios of their sides are equal. So according to this, what I can write now? AD by AB is equal to DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. Right? So consider these two parts. Since I have to find out the value of DE, that is AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. Now substitute the values what you have. AD is 4.8. 4.8 by AB. For getting AB, AE is given for you as 7.2 and BE is given for you as 4. So when you add this complete, it will be 11.2. So right, so AB will be 11.2 is equal to DE is the value which you don't know by BC is 8. So from here DE is equal to, setting 8 to the left side, that is 4.8 into 8 by 11.2. So when you calculate this and simplify, DE value will be equal to 3.4 centimeters. So this is the value of DE. So this completes the second question. Coming to the next one. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground. Okay, so now let us draw the solution for this question. First, for getting the solution, let us draw the figure. Now, this is the normal ground. This is the lamp post. Let us take this as the lamp post AB. The complete height of this is 3.6 meters. Now, let CD, here is the value, here is a girl CD. CD is a girl after traveling a distance of 1.2 meter into 4 for 4 seconds. Okay, now DE is the shadow of the girl. So DE is the shadow of the girl. I have to find out the shadow of the girl, that is D. Now if you observe properly, the speed at which the girl was walking is 1.2 meters per second. The height of the girl is also given for you as 90 centimeters. When you change into meters, obviously it will be 0.9 meters. Okay, 0.9 meters or 90 centimeters. Anyway, 0.9 meters or 90 centimeters. Here, now, to find out BD. So if you observe this properly, what was the speed? Speed is 1.2 meters per second. So after how many seconds we want? 4 seconds. So BD is equal to 1.2 into 4. That will give you 4.8 meters. So BD value will become 4.8 meters. So let the shadow of the girl, the length of the shadow, length is equal to x. Then BE completely will be x plus 4.8. Complete BE will be x plus 4.8. Now consider triangles. From triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Angle E is equal to angle E, that is common angle. According to this A similarity criterion, since two angles are already equal, so therefore we can write it as triangle ABE is similar to triangle ADE. When the two triangles are similar, the ratios of their sides are equal. So therefore, AB by CD is equal to BE by DE is equal to AE by CE. Right? Now, consider the two parts, that is these two conditions. AB by CD. AB is 3.6 by CD, that is 90 centimeters or 0.9 meters, is equal to BE is the complete part, that is x plus 4.8 by DE is x. Now on cancelling this 3.6 as 0.9, it will be 4 and this x multiplies here, 4x is equal to x plus 4.8. So from here, when the x comes to this side, it will be 4x minus x, that is 3x. 3x is equal to 4.8. X is equal to 4.8 by 3, that is 1.6. Therefore, length of our shadow is 1.6 meters. So, this is the solution. Thank you.